Hey, welcome back everybody. Today I decided it was time to give my bike a clean up after using it to take the kayak to the beach the other day. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning it up as well as doing a restoration on the rims that had a lot of surface rust. I think you'll be surprised as I was to see how well they turned out. Be sure to watch the end of the video to see the cleaning supplies I used and which order to do everything in. In a future video, I would like to take everything apart and really clean it up piece by piece. But right now, it's my only bike and I use it for commuting, so that video will have to happen another day. I started by wiping the bike down with just water and a microfiber cloth. After that, I used dish soap and a little bit more water, and then made sure that everything was dried thoroughly. I used a toothbrush with some water to clean up the chain rings, and then a cloth to clean up the chain. Just make sure to re-lube the chain after. I hope you're as excited as I was to see how well the rims turned out. For most of them, all I used was water and aluminum foil. I kept the dull side out, wet the foil, and gave the rims a light scrub. Be sure to dry it off right away so that the rust doesn't come back. Sometimes you'll get something called flash rusting if you don't try to dry it off right away and follow the steps that I show later in this video. For a couple really bad spots, I used ultra fine steel wool. Make sure to check the video description to make sure you get the right kind. Next, I gave the tops of the rims a good polish to really let them pop and create a sealed layer so hopefully the rust doesn't come back. Just try not to get any polish on the sides of the rims where the brakes touch, as this can lead to the brakes not being able to stop you as efficiently. After the polish, I clean the sides of the rims with some isopropyl alcohol, which helps take off the polish and soap residue that may have accidentally got on the side of the rims. So there you have it, a clean bike and rims restored. I know it's not perfect, but the bike's pretty old and it was pretty beat up when I got it. I'm going to be fixing it up little by little each week. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.